Has trying to read coordinate sheets got you feeling baffled? That confused feeling may have you questioning your own sanity, causing you to lose grip on the reality that is your life. Maybe you found yourself in a foreign location because you didn't read your coordinates correctly. Trying to decipher coordinates may lead to a helpless feeling. A feeling like, oh buggers, what is this? Someone help me please. How did I get here? What is my name? What is the density of a black hole? What happens when you put a lightsaber in water? Why is there a light in the fridge and not in the freezer? But reading coordinates doesn't have to be so dramatic. The purpose of the coordinate sheets is to tell you where to go on the field in relation to the music. And help to make the band look professional, confident, and other synonyms, such as filled with pride. Understanding coordinate sheets is key to learning your marching drill as quickly as possible. In this video we will learn how to read drill, how to abbreviate our moves in the music, how not to look like a bunch of doofs on the field. Step 1. Locate the audience and drum major. Now imagine you are looking at the field from the audience and drum major's perspective. Locate the 50-yard line. This will be your reference point in finding the A and B sides of the field. Locate the dashed lines running perpendicular to the 50-yard lines. These are called hashes. The hash closest to you as an audience member is called the front hash. The hash farther away is called the back hash. Parallel to the hashes are the outside lines, which are called side lines. The line closest to the audience and drum major is called the front side line. The line on the other side of the field, opposite the drum major and audience, is called the back side line. We will establish what it means to be inside and outside of yard lines. In relation to the 50-yard line, locate the 20-yard lines first. If your coordinate sheet reads inside the 20, this means that you are to count your steps in the direction toward the 50-yard line. If your coordinate sheet reads outside the 20, this means that you move away from the 50-yard line. Now that we have established inside and outside, we will now talk about what it means to be in front of and behind hashes and side lines. Relocate both of the hash marks. In front of the hash means that you will mark your spot in the direction toward the audience and drum major. In back of or behind means that you will mark your coordinate away from the audience. Now you are ready to try out an example. Let's find the coordinates for D9. You must determine which side of the field you are on. Since T9 is on the right side of the 50, that makes it the B. Since it is closer to the 50, you will count steps away from the 50, and away from the 50 means to count outside. So the coordinate is 3 steps outside the 50. Notice that T9 is closer to the front hash than the side line. So we will find the coordinate in relation to the hash, since it is closer. Is T9 in front of or behind the front hash? T9 is 9 steps in front of the front hash. Let's review. T9 lies on the B side of the field, 3 steps outside of the 50, and 9 steps in front of the front hash. You can make finding coordinates much easier by writing your coordinates on your marching music. Here are some helpful abbreviations to use which will not take up too much space in your music, thus combining your coordinate sheet and music together. You may pause this video at any time to write down these helpful abbreviations. Here are some more helpful abbreviations to use in writing coordinates into your music. We are almost done. Let's do just one more example. We will find the coordinates for TS2. Look closely at the dot and see if you can figure out the coordinate. Ready to see if you got it right? The answer is the A side of the field, 2 outside the 35-yard line, and 3 in front of the front hash. If you got it right, then you are ready to get out on the field and get started. Now that you have the necessary skills to read drill, go out there and have a great marching season.